Alright, so if you follow me on IG, you've already seen, everything I've been doing. Basically, we got to the 3 cylinders that were misfiring, and the spark plugs didn't look great. They didn't look horrible either, but I'm gonna go and get a couple of these. These are I don't know what this brand Autolite is. I don't know if these are actually, in fact, bad enough to cause a misfire, but what I will say is this cylinder is misfiring 7. There's a new ignition coil there, so previous owner told me it was spark plugs. These 2 cylinders, 4 and 5, were misfiring. Everything else on this car is running really well. It's just those misfires. And we're hoping it's not fuel injectors, but we're obviously gonna figure it out. And if it is, replace them.